What's up, guys? It's your boy Oh no, my name's not Total G anymore. It's your boy Gaming and Tutorials. Now, today I will show you how to turn an FLV into a normal MP4. Dwight, mute your mic. So, you'll get to this link right here, and what you want to do here, I'll have this link in the description. You'll click on this one, 22 or 2.2.1, and then what you want to do, okay, don't click anything, press this thing, download, okay, and click it, okay, oh, okay, so you see FLV extract. So what you want to do is wherever you save your videos, okay, this is important, wherever you save your videos, of course, I'll save my videos in videos, of course. So what you want to do is drag this into the folder that you put your videos in. So I'm gonna pop it in here, and then let me just replace the file, because I already did this, so I have to do this, and then I have a lot of videos to do it for. So what you want to do is, you see this, click on this weird, I don't know what this thing is, but double click on it, and then some notebook paper should pop up. Okay, so what you want to do here is you want to grab one of your videos, like, see, this is an FLV right here. Let me see. This is a FLV. So what you want to do is you want to drag this into here, and you can do any FLV. You can do as much as you want, and then just do auto and original, and you can turn off time codes and audio and whatever, and then you just press start, and then as you can see, it would do here. I already have it, so I'm just gonna press no. But what you want to do is press yes, and then it would save, and that's how you do the process. So if you guys enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you do, I'll do more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, and by the way, this is how I'm doing my video right now, so yeah. If you guys didn't see what I just did, or if you guys didn't have what I did, go to click here, and then it should show to captures, and then if you guys see this, double click on this, and then if it says this, just run, and then the same thing should pop up. So yeah, but the main thing here is to make sure you put these videos, put this, the FLV extract in the same, like folder thing as where your videos are saving. That's something that I messed up on the first time I did, so make sure you don't make the same mistake as me, and yeah.